Hi students, I hope you all fine at your home. Students of Standard 6 English Medium, after little pause we meet here again. Students, today you will learn poem number 2. Students, before we start this, I want to inform you. I already informed in all last sessions periods that it's a time of COVID-19, so that's why you have to protect yourselves. Okay, so you have to use mask, sanitizer, whatever. And with these things we also have to do study too. So here, with the means of this video, I am going to teach you Sanskrit subject. Students, in Sanskrit subject you will learn poem number 2. So before we start this poem number 2, you have to keep book in your hand. Okay, these types of interface of your poem's title you can see in your book. Poem number 2, its title is Dakshina Padam. Students, you know Dakshina Padam means, what is the meaning of Dakshina Padam? Here the word you can see Dakshina, and another word you can see, students, Padam. Okay, Dakshin means right, R-I-G-S-T, right. And Padam, already you know students, Padam means legs, or leg also we can say. Here singular form given, Padam, so leg only we have to use word. Okay, so Dakshina Padam means right leg. Its title is there. So I hope you understood this title very well. Now you have to see in your book this type of interface, means picture you can see in your book. Here some pictures given, students, some exercise picture given. In center one girl raising finger and try to telling to whatever boys you can see here. Okay, in this poem you will see some sentences according to exercise. Okay, to be healthy, what you can do. So here before wasting of our time, we have to go upon poem. See this type of interface in your book you can see. I am reading first 1 to 4 verses. You have to listen this. Dakshina Padam Purush Kuru, Dakshina Padam Kuru Prushtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Vama Padam Purushkuru, Vamam Padam Kuru Prishtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Another, Dakshina Hastam Purushkuru, Dakshina Hastam Kuru Prishtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Next, Vamam Hastam Purushkuru, Vamam Hastam Kuru Prishtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Okay, students, understood? These types of interface and poetry lines you can see in your book. Before we go ahead on this, another lines also we have to read it. Hastadvayam Purushkuru, Hastadvayam Kuru Prishtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Sarvangam hi Purushkuru, Sarvangam hi Purukrishtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Sarve militva khelamaha, sarve militva gayamaha, sarve militva khadamaha, sarve militva nrutyamaha. These types of verses you can see in your book, students. We have to understand these verses one by one. Okay, see the first words given like this: Dakshina Padam Purushkuru, Dakshina Padam Kuru Prushtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmayatam Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Students, I have already told Dakshina Padam means right leg. Pura plus Kuru. Pur means, see here, Pur means in front of. Okay, already I have written translate. So according to translate you can understand the words. So Purush Kuru means in front of. And Kuru, what you can see, students, here Kuru. Okay, Kuru means do. So here imperative form given, let's do your right leg in front of. Another same word, Dakshina Padam Kuru Prushtam. Prushtam means back. So let do right leg back. मंदम मंदम भ्रामयतम. मंदम मंदम मीन्स स्लोली स्लोली. भ्रामयतम मीन्स टर्न इट अराउंड, मीन्स गोल गोल घुमाना है. ओके. गोलाकारम स्वयं ब्रह्म मीन्स लेट्स टर्न योर सेल्फ टू अराउंड, यानी कि आपको भी अपने आप चारों ओर घूमना है. सो इट्स द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस वर्ड. लेट आई एम रीडिंग ट्रांसलेशन हियर गिवन. लेट्स डू राइट लेग इन फ्रंट ऑफ, लेट्स डू राइट लेग बैक, let's slowly turn it around, let's turn around yourself too. Understood students? Now second word see. Vamam padam purushkuru, vamam padam kuru prishtam, mandam mandam bhramayatam, golakaram swayam brahma. Students, here vamam padam, you can see word vama word. Vamam means left leg. Vamam padam means left leg. Purushkuru means in front of. Vamam padam kuru prishtam means let's do left leg back. Mandam mandam brahmayatam means let's slowly turn it around. And golakaram swayam brahma means let's turn around yourself too. Means concept same according to first verse. So let's I am reading translation. Let's do left leg in front of, let's do left leg back, let's slowly turn it around, let's turn around yourself too. Understood students? Next words like this. Dakshina hastam purushkuru, dakshina hastam kuru prishtam, mandam mandam brahmayatam, golakaram swayam brahma. Dakshina hastam already we discussed. Dakshin means right, hastam means hand. So right hand. Purushkuru means in front of. Dakshina hastam kuru prishtam means let's right hand. Kuru prishtam means do back. Mandam mandam same line is there. Golakaram also same line. So the translation happen like this. Here I have written let's do right hands, or hand also we can write in front of. Let's do right hands back. Let's slowly turn it around. Let's turn around yourself too. Okay, understood students? Next verse like this. Vamam hastam purushkuru, vamam hastam kuru prishtam, mandam mandam brahmayatam, golakaram swayam brahma. Students, Vama hasta already we discussed. Vamam means left and hastam means hand. So Vamam hastam purushkuru, purushkuru means in front of. Vamam hastam kuru prishtam means let's left leg, left hand. Kuru prishtam means do back. So the translation happen here. I have written the whole translation. You can see students here. Already I have given, and according to that way you have to understand. Let's do left hand in front of. Here two times to do given students, so only one time you have to understand. Okay students, let's do left hands in front of, let's do left hand back, let's slowly turn it around, let's turn around yourself too. That is the concept of these words students. Next, हस्तद्वयम पुरुषकरु, हस्तद्वयम कुरु पृष्ठम, मंदम मंदम भ्रामयतम, गोलाकारम स्वयं ब्रह्म. हस्तद्वयम students, very easy word is there. Hastadvayam, you can see students here. Hasta word given. Hast means hand, okay, and dvayam means two hands. Purushkuru means in front of, okay. Hastadvayam purushkuru means two hands back. So hastadvayam purushkuru means let's do both hands in front of, let's do both hands back. Let's do it slowly, turn it around, and let's turn around yourself too. That is the concept, same concept according to last verses whatever we have seen. So let's do both hands in front of, let's do both hands back, let's slowly turn it around, let's turn it around yourself too. So I hope you understood this verses very well. Next students, sarvangahi purushkuru, sarvangahi kuru prishtam, mandam mandam brahmayatam, golakaram swayam brahma. Sarva anga, here the sandhi word given students, see sarva anga. The word is there sarva, okay, sarva, and another word is, which word is there, anga. Anga word students, okay, which word is there, anga, okay. So the sandhi word given here, sarva plus anga, and it's a visarga sandhi, anga, visarga sandhi is following. So sarva anga, sarva means all, and anga means body, means all body parts. He purushkuru means let's do it in front of. So the whole concept given here, let's do all body parts in front of, let's do all body parts back, let's slowly turn them around. So mandam mandam brahmayatam, that means let's slowly turn them around. And golakaram swayam brahma means let's turn yourself also around. So the whole concept of this work like this. Again I repeat, listen, very important words is that sarvangam means two words are there. Sandhi word is that sarvam plus angah, it's a sandhi word. Sarva means all and anga means body, means all body parts. He puruskuru means let's do in front of. Sarvangami puru prushtam means let's do all body parts back. Mandam mandam brahmayatam means slowly slowly, brahmayatam means turn it around. Golakaram swayam brahma. Golakaram swayam brahma means let's turn it around slowly slowly. So that is the concept. Here I am reading, translate, you listen. Let's do all body parts in front of. Okay. Here the translation you can see, students. Let's do all body parts in front of. Let's do all body parts back. Let's do all body parts back. Another line, let's slowly slowly turn them. Okay, and let's turn around yourself too. So that is the concept of these words. I hope you all understand this word. Next words, sarve militva khelamah, sarve militva gayamah, sarve militva khadamah, sarve militva nrutyamah. So the here concept, sarve means all, means together, militva means together, khelamah. See here, khelamah given. Khelamaha, it's a present tense. Which word? Present. Okay. Mi vahamaha, si tha tha, ti taha ti. So mi vaha maha given means first person plural form given, sarve. So here maha word is you can see here. And another sarve militva gayama means all together. Gayama means sing. Sarve militva khadama means let's all together. Khadama means eat. Sarve militva nrutyama means let's all together. And nrutyama means have to dance. Okay, students, understood? That is the concept of this. Understood, students? Now, what's the translate is there? Let's, I am reading. Sarve militva khelama. The translation here I have written, let's play together. Sarve militva gayama means let's sing together. Let's all have to sing. This way also we can write. Another sarve militva khadama means let's eat together. And sarve militva nrutyama means let's dance together. So that is the concept given in this poem. Okay. I hope you understood this very well. Let one time repeat all verses. Okay. Translation, see. You have to understand this whole poem properly. Again I am reading, see. The scene 2, 7 number words you have to understand properly. Okay. Next, what is the translation I am reading? Listen. Let's do right leg in front of. Let's do right leg back. Let's slowly slowly turn it around. Let's turn around yourself too. Next word is here. Let's do left leg in front of. Let's do left leg back. Let's slowly slowly turn it around. Let's turn around yourself too. Okay. Next word is like this. Let's do right hands in front of. Let's do right hands back. Let's slowly slowly turn it around. Let's turn around yourself too. Next words. Let's do left hands in front of. Here do you can see, students. That's you have to cut it. Okay, understood, students? Means let's do left hands in front of. Let's do left hand back. Let's slowly slowly turn it around. Let's turn around yourself too. Next words. Let's do both hands in front of. Let's do both hands back. Let's slowly slowly turn it around. Let's turn around yourself too. Okay, understood, students? Next, let's do all body parts in front of. Let's do all body parts back. Let's slowly slowly turn them around. Let's turn around yourself too. Okay, understood, students? I hope you understood this very well. And next, सर्वे मिलित्वा खेलामः, सर्वे मिलित्वा गामः. So let's play together, let's sing together, let's eat together, let's dance together. And at last, students, I want to telling you thank you to watch this video. Again and again you have to refer this, so easily you can get what's the translate is there. At last, take care and thank you.